If you're a real estate agent and you're looking to attract international clients, people from other countries who are looking to invest, relocate, buy a second home, retire in your area, then this video is perfect for you. I'm going to show you and break down the exact systems, strategies, and frameworks we use to help our clients attract leads that actually want to work with them without throwing away money on Facebook, hoping for the best, paying for leads. Instead, using a proven system that works every single time. For those of you who are new here, my name is Sam and I run a company called Agent Leaders where we help real estate agents all across the world use social media and digital marketing to attract the right clients they want to work with, without guessing, with proven systems that have been tried and tested in today's market. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'll get them answered and I hope you enjoy the video.
So the whole idea here is I want to show you how we can actually start generating international leads for your real estate business, for our clients or for real estate agents. The most important thing to note over here is that when we're running ads on social media, there is something called a housing category. Now what this means is that Facebook stopped allowing you to target specific types of people. Quite serious with regards to like trying to find the right people, because when you're trying to go international, you want to target a specific type of client, right? You want to target people who travel often, people who have money, people who are international, people who are looking for luxury things, correct? But with Facebook's housing category, we can't do that. So what we typically do is we run a Facebook post, we select housing category in the actual Facebook ad. However, Facebook take control over the marketing targeting. Facebook take control over the targeting. So they choose who they should send it to. The reason for doing it is that it's called, they don't want to discriminate between different types of people and everyone should have equal fair trade to actually find homes. So they want to target specific type of people. So what happens now is the way we're typically doing it is we target through the creative we have. So for example, let's say you are based in Spain. You want to get people from UK to invest in Costa del Sol. What we'll say here is these are 6 of the best new real estate projects in Costa del Sol, direct from developer, perfect for living and investing. Now, the creative is almost doing the actual targeting for you. And what will happen is when people start clicking on this ad and signing up, Facebook will say, okay, let me show this to more people like this. In the beginning, we might not have great results, but then afterwards, Facebook's AI works really well to actually find the targeting for us. Now, this works really well with local leads because people are in the area and already looking to actually buy. So it's much easier for Facebook to find that person. But when it comes to getting international leads, it doesn't work as well. Results are skewed. So what we typically do is we run an ad that looks similar to this. The creative does the targeting for us. So we're saying, if you are looking for your second home in Costa del Blanca or in Spain, here are 5 of the best new villas. And the way we do this is 4 main things. A property type, a property meaning a villa, a townhouse, or an apartment. You would say a budget range between 500 and 1.5 million. You would say a location, Costa del Sol, and a buyer type, perfect for investing, or perfect for a family home, or perfect for a second home. So typically when people are searching for a home, those are the 4 main criteria they use. An actual brochure and properties to call out that specific buyer. Facebook works its AI magic to find the right clients for us. Videos work better here. So if we have a video with a good hook of someone saying, I've created 5 of the best properties in this location, perfect for this, that will actually work even better than an image. What will happen is Facebook will show this to 10 different types of people. It knows who's looking for property, right? So it will show it to 10 different types of people, as an example. 5 of them will click on it, and 5 of them, then 2 of them will actually fill out the form and get the information. So then Facebook starts showing it to people like the people who filled out the form. And it will start doing it all on itself. That's what I mean by Facebook's AI magic. A great example of this with regards to targeting based on your creative is what I do in my ads. So I'd say, if you're a real estate agent, stop posting on social media before watching this video. Now, what have I just done? I've found real estate agents who are already posting and boosting posts on social media. Another one would be real estate agents, stop using marketing agencies. So now I have people clicking on my ad who have already used a marketing company. And now there's my offer afterwards. Because if I said that randomly, like, if you're a real estate agent, do this, then I'm not calling out a specific problem of a specific client. We're almost filtering and targeting through the creatives we have. That's one option. Now, this doesn't work too well, but it does come with benefits. It does work. So what we typically do, and what we're doing now, is this ad. So this is an indirect ad. Real estate agent is selling property. The ad is not selling property. The ad is selling why you should invest, lifestyle or investment.
Okay.
Okay, so thinking about investing in Spain. Now, a quick note here, which is really important to note, is that we run this ad, okay? Thinking about investing or a second home in Spain. Unlock the charm of the Mediterranean coast. If you're looking for a great investment or maybe a place in the sun for you and your family, Spain, then I use news to actually create some validity in the actual text itself. With record numbers, there's a good reason why 41% surge in Americans investing between 2021 and 2023. Because we're targeting this to Americans, we want to be calling them out and showing that other Americans are moving. Right? We want to create that urgency and like that trust. Spain's housing market is on fire with price up to 7% in Q1 2024. And why Spain? Good infrastructure, holiday homes, golf courses, whatever it may be. Invest in a lifestyle. Our free guide has all the information you need. Now, we run this ad on Facebook. And the reason we did it is because now we can actually highly target this ad. So what we're saying here is we're going to be targeting people living in New York, Miami, LA, San Francisco, Chicago.
So this isn't what's it called? A housing.
Because that's why I'm saying this. Because we're not promoting properties here, we can do what we want with the targeting.
Exactly.
It's an indirect ad, and we're selling the properties on the back end.
Yeah.
So they're going to get the guide, and inside the guide is going to be, these are homes perfect for you, but that's hidden inside the actual brochure.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're providing value first, indirect ad, and we're showing them this information. We're targeting 35 to 70 plus. We're targeting real estate, property investments, luxury homes, second homes, international real estate. We're targeting people who are frequent travelers, luxury hotels, private vacations, Mediterranean destinations.
Rich.
People who are rich. I mean, who's going to invest in Spain and America if they don't have money? You know what I mean?
Exactly.
So wealth management, international banking, finance, EU residency, golden visa, Spanish citizenships, and also behavior-based targeting. Frequent international travelers, people who have recently traveled internationally or frequently travelers. I can say people who have recently visited Spain or specific countries around Spain. Now, we launched this ad, and what happened was it got disapproved. You know why? Because of one word. We wrote second home. Because Facebook knows.
Why do?
Now, because when we launched this ad, we got disapproved at first. Because we said, thinking about investing or a second home in Spain. Facebook saying, okay, there's a house. What we did was remove this. And it worked. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's how Facebook is always updating, and with AI it's going to get harder and harder to do. So it's a really important thing to capitalize on now, which we can actually get our clients to do. Right? And again, a video will be even better than this image. If there's a video of the real estate agent on the beach in Spain, walking around saying, this is why you should live in Spain, these are my clients, this is who I've helped before. Right? This is much more powerful. Because what I could say instead is, this is how I helped Fox, a New Yorker who wanted to move to Spain and have a better life and be close to golf courses, actually find a new home, find tenants for the investment home, and then actually live there himself whenever he wanted to. These are the steps I took. So that's a much more powerful video. Yes, it's indirect. We're not promoting property. We're promoting the investment and how I help my client and how I can help other New Yorkers do the same thing. So that's the power of the ads when it comes to an indirect type of ad. Because we're not selling properties up front, but we can actually target highly specifically to who we want to reach. We'll start off with 2 ads. We'll do a specific property brochure ad. We'll do an investment guide ad. And don't worry, because we're going to give you all of these details. We're going to help you design this ad. We're going to help you do the targeting. We're going to be there with you live on course to make sure you're getting the results you want to get. Does that sound fair to you? Does that make sense to you, Fox?